6 houseplants we can totally neglect. Ideal for busy people like me. 1. Pothos, money plant. There's a reason people have grown this plant for so many years, or some plants have survived for decades. You can forget them even have it, and somehow it still keeps right on growing. 2. Cactus. This large family of plants is so drought tolerant that watering once a month is usually sufficient. 3. Ficus. There's a reason this plant is a popular choice for many first-time indoor gardeners. It provides a large, dramatic presence and is very simple to grow once you understand its needs. Many people have their ficus trees for a number of years. 4. Zamioculcas zamiifolia, Jade Plant, or Aroid Palm. These beauties, which grow in tall stalks of deep green, rubbery leaves, actually like to be left alone. Though they prefer moderate levels of sunlight, but can tolerate low light and very low water too, so they're often go-to choice for offices. 5. Jade Plant. Also known as friendship tree or money plant, jade plant has been widely used as a houseplant for many years. Give it good light and low water, about once or twice a month. Make sure your potting soil is well drained and never let this plant sit in water for long. 6. Snake plant. Also called mother-in-law's tongue, perhaps because its leaves come to a sharp point, this easy care plant is a popular choice for many homes due to its care tolerance.